We're gonna make some bacon wrapped duck breast on the grill today, or tomorrow actually. Duck is a pretty dense, fibrous meat, so if you want the spices to embed into the meat, soak into the meat, so you taste it whenever you take a bite. I found you got to soak that meat for many hours. I always try to go overnight. That way it absorbs as much as possible. So we're going to get that set up. Here's the array of spices that I'm going to use. We like our stuff pretty spicy. So I'm going to mix that up and show you what it looks like before I stick it in the fridge. All right, we got it all mixed up with our spices. I'm going to cover this pot, stick it in the fridge, and pull it out in the morning. By that time, a lot of those spices will be soaked into that meat and be yummy good. All right, here's everything laid out. We have our ducks, we have our, what are those called, toothpicks, our bacon, our cheeses, and I'll show you how we're going to put that together here. All right, first thing we're going to do is take a duck breast. This duck breast has been soaking now for overnight. I'm going to take and put a piece of cream cheese on it. I'm going to take and put either cheddar or oh, what the hell is that? Pepper jack. We're going to start with a cheddar, stack it on top, take a piece of bacon, wrap that baby up, stick a toothpick right through the middle of it. Good to go. Some of these little bigger breasts I'll cut in half, but that's what it looks like. We're going to do that about 30 more times. And all right, ready for the grill. Packaged, toothpicked, cheese, duck breast, all that good stuff. I'm going to heat up the grill and show you guys what that looks like here. All right, our grill is ready. It's all warmed up. I have some hickory bricks in there that have been soaking in some plum wine. I like the smell, the smoke that gives off. We're going to spray everything with some Pam or some canola oil so it doesn't stick so bad. We have our mop sauce, and that's just a homemade ingredient. I don't know, has apple juice, Worcestershire sauce, a little bourbon, and some spices. We'll use that to spray it down, cool off the temperature of the bacon so it cooks a little more evenly. And there we have our bacon wrapped duck. We're gonna see if I can do it one-handed. All right, there's our Pam. And you just got to kind of experiment with your grill. I know that my grill on medium with wood duck breasts, with the thickness of the wood duck breasts, take about 40 minutes to cook. Now the biggest issue with these bacon wrapped ducks, don't overcook them, man. You overcook them and they're going to get dry. Depending on your grill, typically you want to pull them out when the bacon just starts to crisp up a little bit. If you cook until that bacon is hard and crispy, then you probably dried out your duck. But we're going to put all these on in about every 10 minutes. I'll take them and spritz them with our mop sauce. And almost done. Run out of room. But that hickory should be heating up in just a second. It'll be that wine will start evaporating out of there, and the pork will start smelling good. And I'll probably have to go crack open a bottle of our plum wine. Anyway, there they go. I'm going to close up the lid. Give them just a little bit of spray of this mop sauce up front. And then we'll come back and barely spritz them here in about 10 minutes. And I'll show you what it looks like then.
All right, here we are. We're about 40 minutes in. I'm just about to pull them off. They look yummy. They smell yummy. I'm gonna spritz them one more time with our little special sauce. Smell the bourbon. Makes just a wonderful mess of the grill. All that melted cheese and bacon grease and stuff, but we'll worry about that tomorrow. About to pull them off. We'll show you what it looks like when they're on the plate.
There's the final product. Try one.
Is it just confused and
Might be hot, I don't know. That's a big one.
is it? I thought it was a small one. Oh, that's kind of hot.
I just said it might be kind of hot, Leroy. You just ate the bacon.
Eating like a freaking sandwich,
really?
dude.
Ooh, that looks good. Let me see the inside of that. Let's see if it's look good. Oh yeah, it's still moist and juicy. All right, let's watch Ethan's face.
This was big.
Put your hat on right, boy. You need a bib.
I'll put it out now.
It's so messy. I love it.
I couldn't bite it in half. It's very good though.
Good deal. What do you think?
America.
Keep her? All right, there you go.
Those are good.
Think we can kill all those
Heck yeah.
tonight?
Yes, definitely.
Rambo number 4 tonight.
Maybe.
Or John Wick number 2 tonight.
John Wick number 2. Spoiling it with ranch.
Gotta test it out.
Make sure, if you put the whole thing in your mouth, make sure the toothpick ain't in there. That would ruin your day. I'd have to crike you.
No good. Yeah, it was good.